thought I felt a spot of rain.
Oh, no. Look, Hector, not a cloud in sight.
Hmm? Yes, you're right. All the same, I'm going to hurry up and get my hay in.
Oh.
Oh, no, that's too much.
What's wrong?
You know that putting your paw behind your ear brings on the rain.
Oh, you're talking nonsense. I have a perfect right to put my paw behind my ear whenever I feel like it. And anyway, you're wrong. I didn't put my paw behind my ear. I was tidying my kiss curls. Like that. Do you see?
Yes, your kiss curls happen to be behind your ears.
They're not.
They are.
They're not.
Who cares? You're stopping me from working.
I'm not.
All right, if it's like that, then.
I say, what's going on? I could have sworn you were quarrelling.
She's the one who started it.
He did.
She did.
Oh, no good both of you talking at once. Mr. Hector?
Yes?
Now, what's the trouble?
The trouble is that this cat down here is trying to make it rain.
Oh,
To make it rain.
Yes, she's trying to bring on the rain by putting her paw behind her ear.
Idiot.
I am not an idiot. Everybody knows that when a cat puts its paw behind its ear, it starts to rain.
you don't expect me to believe that old wives' tale, do
No,
you?
no, no. It's not an old wives'
Oh,
tale.
yes.
It's going to rain. And then it will be all your
Don't
fault.
worry, Miss Zaza. Listen, you can put your paws behind your ears just as often as you like, but it still won't rain.
Ah,
I see. You're on her side, then.
The signs are unmistakable.
The signs? What signs, eh?
The signs we see around us. The clouds.
The clouds.
Mm-hmm. The wind.
The wind.
The wind.
And how is it you happen to know all this?
I've just told you. It's quite easy.
As far as I'm concerned, your signs don't mean a thing, Mrs. Frog, eh? Huh?
Ah, but that's because you're not a frog. Every frog can tell the weather. It's a gift.
there you see, it's a gift.
I'd give a lot for that gift, I can tell you. It's something every gardener would be grateful for. Have you any gift?
Yes, I can see in the dark.
Oh, that. If that counts as a gift, then I've got one too. I smell.
You smell what?
I smell everything.
Ah?
I do it with my nose. Now then, for instance, just you take Mrs. Frog here. I'll tell you what she smells of. She smells of old pine cones.
A very old pine cone, Mr. Hector. I got it from my great-grandmother, and it works well.
Ah, it works.
Oh, yes, very well. Can't you see how?
No, we can't.
But then you don't know the signs. For instance, take today. The needles on my pine cone are all spread out. That means it's going to be fine.
Ah.
Yes, and when they're all squeezed up tight against each other, that means it's going to rain.
Oh, you certainly know a lot.
Well, that's because I've worked at the Weather Forecasting Bureau.
Oh, you're very clever.
I can teach you how to recognize the clouds.
Oh, yes.
How the winds blow.
Oh, yes,
About
yes.
barometric pressure.
Oh, no aromatic pressure. That doesn't interest me. What interests me is to know when it's going to rain.
Right. In that case, I must start by teaching you the ladder technique. One moment.
The ladder technique. Now, what's that?
You see, when a little frog stays at the bottom of her ladder, then it's going to rain. But if she's halfway up it, that means the weather's changeable. And when she's right at the top, it's going to be fine.
Right, I've got it. I'm going to try it out.
But only frogs have the gift.
What does that matter? I'm going to try it out all the same. Mrs. Frog won't mind teaching me. Now then, when I'm halfway up, the weather's changeable.
That's it, very good.
And when I'm right up here, the sun shines.
Well done.
But if I come down again, that means it's going to rain.
That's it.
Right now, then I'm down at the bottom, it's going... It's raining!
Oh, it's raining.
It is raining, it's raining! Right now, wait a bit, I'll go up to the top again. Just you watch. You see? It stopped raining. I can forecast the weather. I'm great big weatherman Hector.